Good morning, and I am Marvin, and welcome to my channel again today. As you can see, guys, this reception table is not really here because the original plan is going to be here. So the cable that we run from the server it's here, so it's very far from here going here. So we don't have any available LAN cable here because this LAN cable is for the accounting area on the inside of the window. So we need to put this back inside of this mirror here. So it's in here. Is that for here? And this one also is the original plan. We have a table here that is for one of our officers, but they already changed the plan. We put all the agents here, so we don't have any available cables here. This is the two cables only. This is for the data and the voice, and the cables that we ran from the server going here, it's stuck in there. So that's the reason why we need to think about if how can we run all the cables here going on these tables here. We have tables around here, so we're going to look any workaround on how to run all those cables here. Okay, and we have also here, we have another room also here. This area here, this is not the original plan that we know before. The original plan is we only have two rooms here. This room is divided into two, but they changed it to make it one. So we have cables here. We run the cables, 4 cables here. It's 2 for voice and 2 for data, because the plan is we have 2 workstation here. So we run the 4 cables, so that's why. And this area here, the original plan is it's going to be the agent area. So the original plan is we have 7 workstations here. So we run the cable from the server going here, like 14 cables. That's equivalent of 7 workstations, and all the wires stuck in there. So that's the problem again. So we're going to look any workaround also on how we can distribute all that cables on any area here that it's going to be available, because this room is only 1 PC, so we only need 2 cables. So that's why and here, as you can see, guys, all the tables is already installed, and the things we're going to do is we need to patch this cable. We're going to run this cable all the way here, going on under this table, and run under the tables going to the workstation area here. Yo, what's up? This one here. This one also. And we have also here cables. We need also to run that under that cabinet, so that's why we can run the cable going through here. This is the cable outlet, and we're going to run the cable under this table here, so that's why we can put it through here at the workstation port here. And that's all. That is for video for today, and the next video is going to we're going to punch that cable on every workstation, on every I/O ports. Okay, so please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, so that's why you're updated on what's going to be the next step that we're going to do here. Okay, thank you so much and thank you for watching.